Want to trade crypto on Bybit, but your location is blocking access? This video will show you how to use a VPN to potentially bypass restrictions, while also discussing crucial security aspects and Bybit's policy implications. First, choose a reputable VPN provider. Research and select a VPN known for its strong encryption and no-logs policy. Download and install the VPN application on your device. After installation, open the VPN and connect to a server in a country where Bybit is accessible. Now, with the VPN connected, visit the Bybit website or open the Bybit app. Log into your account. You should now be able to access Bybit's trading platform and features. It's important to remember that using a VPN might violate Bybit's terms of service, so check their policy regarding VPN usage to avoid any issues. Using a VPN doesn't eliminate all security risks. Be sure to enable two-factor authentication on your Bybit account for extra protection. Always be cautious of phishing attempts and avoid clicking suspicious links. Stay informed about Bybit's official announcements and security updates by following these steps. You can potentially access Bybit with a VPN, but always prioritize security and be aware of Bybit's policies.